Hey everyone! So now I have the new box. This is the May 2020 box. Hello Dahliang. And this is the box. Super pretty. Volume 31. The back. So I've already opened everything up. And I took the mystery item out. If you want to see that, stay tuned until the end. This is the little menu card. Everything that it comes with. Journal card. Sunny days ahead. Comes with this the stitched binding. It's the B6 size. It has dots. The dot grid. The bow on the back. Simply Gilded. Then here's the pin. Very, very pretty. Has a little bow. But you want to take that off before writing. Fits on the back so you don't lose it. Let's see. Stickers this month. Here's the icons. Date dots. And a couple more icons on the bottom. And now this bow is an icon as well. Here's a little sampler sheet. And the bow seals. Very pretty. These are so awesome. I love these. Here's this one. And the last one. Really pretty colors this time. Nice and soft. Okay. And it also comes with 2 sheets of paper. This is a vellum. It's kind of see-through. Like you can see through it a bit. So it makes it vellum. And then it comes with acetate. It's the more plastic one. And this side has gold. And you turn it over and it has silver. And this time, this month, we get another sticker book. The last one we got, I made it into a planner. It's so pretty, I love it. Comes with a pocket. And it's also vegan leather. Simply Gilded in the back. And this little hook. Bunch of sticker pockets. If you want to see how I turned it into a planner, I will leave the link down below. I did the pin. And then the washi comes in this cute little drawstring pouch. This is the 5mm add-on. It's all separate. There are 4 little ones. And the other ones came in here along with this bow. So here's the pouch again. And you get this really pretty bow. This is the only thing I didn't open up because I didn't want it to fall out. Okay. That's pretty also. You can make like a bookmark or something out of that. So here's the bow. Let's see. Has a pretty little flower and a leaf. It's nice and soft. Oh, it goes this way. You kind of have to mess with it because that's the soft part. And you can probably hook it here if you want, or onto any planner. It's really pretty together. So here's the washi tapes. So this top one, it's like a sparkly it like the one in the other one, it came I think it was a painted garden maybe. I don't know, but it's almost like a rough feeling. You can see the little sparkles in it. It's really pretty. And then we have dates, the gold, the pink, and then the bigger one, the 15mm. Really pretty. Okay. And then again the 5mm. With them together. Now for the mystery item. So I'm going to show that. So if you don't want to see that, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Stay safe. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I will be happy to answer them or help in any way that I can. I will leave a link where you can sign up to receive boxes. Sometimes there's extras and you can purchase them. Okay, so if you're ready, I'm going to show it, and if not, I'll see you later. Okay, here is the mystery item. Here we go. It's a sticky pocket. So, if you open it, and you take it out, it's a sticky pocket. You can stick it inside of something, planners, a dashboard, anything you want. You just peel it, and then you would stick it to something. So like, maybe since the pocket's right there, maybe you can stick it right here in the back. I mean, really, like, the possibilities are so much fun. Because you can, you know, make a dashboard or stick your stickers in like that. I mean, you don't want to really cover up the Simply Gilded, but if you did, I mean, it holds these little stickers. So it's, you know, it's a good size. So, yes, there we go. It's nice and soft, has the bow. There we go, mystery item. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.